Only 1 in 200 vivid red frogs ever grows skin flawless enough to become a true luxury wallet.
A transfer gate with a waist-high conveyor belt leading from the farming wing toward processing. Labeled boxes of red frogs slide onto the belt.
The low-pressure skin room demands absolute control, preserving every natural pattern on the red frog hide.
The pure, naturally blazing red of this species is so rare that the value of its hide multiplies many times over.
The elasticity seems consistent.
Yes, it's perfectly flat against the grid now. Let's lock the clamps.
Every check demands surgical precision. A 1% error in the readings can disqualify an entire batch.
Here in Sector 4, the automated rails deliver specialized pellets, maximizing efficiency while minimizing human contact with the amphibians.
Nước đang được lọc, nhìn này, trong veo rồi.
In the tanning hall, chemistry locks the delicate red frog skin into true leather without sacrificing a single shade of its rare color.
In the digital cutting bay, every line must be sharper and more precise than with normal leather, because red frog skin forgives nothing.
Only a tiny zone on each hide is perfect enough to appear on a luxury wallet's front face.
More than 10 preparation steps come before a single definitive cut is allowed to touch the skin. Red frog skin is so thin that a tiny mistake in the chemical mix can destroy an entire production run. Dozens of continuous stages are chained together just to preserve that intense red shimmer through the entire tanning cycle.
Stitching and assembly decide whether a Red Frog leather wallet feels flimsy or truly luxurious in the hand.
The wallets travel along the belt, nearing the final stage. Soon they will cross into the polish and protect zone for their finishing treatment. Red Frog leather tears easily, so each needle must be chosen and tested like a surgical instrument.
More than 15 specialists on this line are trained only in handling Red Frog leather, and it all shows in the very first test scene.
The finishing stage makes every highlight on the Red Frog leather glow, turning thin skin into a true luxury wallet surface.
Red Frog luxury line confirmed. This rack is ready to ship.
And here we have the exquisite frog wallet. We just received this shipment today.
Just a little to the left. Hold it there. Okay, focus on the grain.
Only a few square centimeters on each hide achieve the kind of natural shine that belongs on the face of a premium Red Frog wallet.
The probe descends onto the red leather front, compressing it by a fixed distance. The screen records resistance and rebound values for feel and flexibility.